Drowning in loan repayment anxieties? Not anymore. Let's unlock the secrets to smoothly paying your CIMB Bank loan, keeping your credit score shining bright. First, online banking. Log into your CIMB Clicks account on the dashboard. Locate the Pay Bills or Payments section. It might be under Funds Transfer. Select Loan Repayment from the list of billers or payment options. If CIMB loan isn't in your list, add CIMB Bank as a biller, and then select it. Next, choose the CIMB account you want to pay from and enter the exact loan amount you want to repay. Double-check all details to ensure accuracy. Review the details and confirm the transaction. Ensure you receive a transaction confirmation as proof of successful payment. Save the transaction details for future reference. Now for the mobile app. Open your CIMB Bank mobile app and log in. Look for the Pay Bills or Payments icon on the main screen. Prefer over-the-counter. Visit any CIMB Bank branch. Inform the teller you want to make a loan payment. Provide your loan account number. Hand over the payment amount in cash or via check. The teller will provide a payment receipt. Keep it safe. Remember, paying on time is crucial to avoid late fees and maintain a healthy credit history. So, choose the most convenient method and conquer those loan repayments today.